Hi, this is Greg, Retro Manufacturing. I'm the product manager here. Today, we're going to show you how to cut out and use one of our 415 faceplates. This faceplate is the one we use for our Datsun Zs and for our Triumph Spitfires and Coupes. It's a hard ABS plastic that we have designed to give you pre-cutouts to use for your Datsun and for the Triumph. So to cut this, we're going to take the piece, lay it down on something firm and flat. I have a nice clean table here, so we're not going to scuff up the side of it. I like to set it down on top of the plastic so I don't get any scuffs in the front of the faceplate. A nice, fresh, sharp razor knife. Following the pre-scored lines on here, you can see right in here, they're pre-scored. We're going to take the knife and we're just going to run it through here a few times just to be sure we get it scored. You'll feel it start to dig in a little bit into the plastic. Once you get it to a point, you'll be able to see on the other side that you're starting to make your line in there. Once you get it to a point where you feel it's gone through, take a few swipes. Once you get there, then take a little pair of pliers and just gently pull this apart. And it'll actually just snap off. Once you snap the piece off, you'll have your finished edge. A lot of times I'll like to take a little bit of sandpaper just to roughly go down the edge of it just to clean off that little burr. To finish the project, we're going to take and then just follow our lines. Same thing, scoring along each line gently until you get it a little deeper. It doesn't take that much. Once you get each piece trimmed off, snap it off, and then you'll have your part you're looking for. Remember to always take this piece and look at it in your car to measure to be sure that the finished product is going to match your dash if you're using the Datsun one or if you're using the Triumph one. Make sure you fill the make sure these are the correct size for your dash. The other last step we would do is we'll take these also. There's pre-scored areas to drill out the holes in them. When you get the finished product done, I always like to take it over, flip it over, take it over onto a bench using a drill with a 1/2-inch drill bit, and you'll just drill out the holes to match what you need.